What if I told you the richest person in the room is usually the one you don't notice? Not the loud spender, not the flashy car owner, not the social media millionaire. Here's the shocking part. 70% of people with a net worth above 1 million don't look rich at all. No luxury signals, no designer labels, no dramatic lifestyle. So today's question is uncomfortable, but powerful. What if real wealth is invisible, and most people are trained to look for the wrong signs? In this video, I'll reveal 10 subtle but powerful signs that someone is far richer than they appear. These aren't surface-level habits. These are wealth psychology signals, the kind that compound quietly, just like money invested in index funds or dividend-paying ETFs. And stay till the end, because the final sign explains why many people become rich accidentally, while others chase money their entire lives and never feel secure. Sign 1. They don't react emotionally to money problems. Here's the quiet clue most people miss. When money problems show up, secretly wealthy people don't panic. They pause, calculate, and move with precision. And what that mindset unlocks will surprise you later in this video. Emotions are expensive, and panic is one of the costliest financial habits in America. Best-selling books like The Psychology of Money repeatedly remind us that wealth has less to do with intelligence and more to do with behavior under stress. Quietly, wealthy people don't. Not because they're careless, but because their financial system absorbs shock. Most people believe emotional control comes from earning more. In reality, it comes from structure. When someone doesn't panic over money, it often means they've already converted income into resilience. So when you see someone unusually calm during financial chaos, don't assume they're careless. Assume they've already paid the price of discipline earlier, and now they're living in the reward phase. Sign 2. They pause before they purchase, even when they can easily afford it. Here's the quiet signal most people completely misread. Secretly wealthy people don't hesitate because they lack money. They hesitate because they respect money. And the reason why becomes clearer as we move deeper into this list. While the average American sees spending as a reward, the quietly rich see it as a trade-off against future equity, passive income, and financial freedom. This matters in a provocative way because fast spending feels powerful today, but slow spending creates power for decades. Most high net worth individuals delay purchases not due to fear, but due to discipline. Most people mistake speed for confidence, but rush spending quietly kills compound growth, increases lifestyle inflation, and traps people in a cycle where income rises but net worth doesn't. Every dollar spent must justify the life energy behind it. Instead of upgrading everything immediately, she waited months before big purchases, ran simple future value math, and invested aggressively into growth stocks and retirement accounts. Wealth isn't built by saying no forever. It's built by saying not yet. Another takeaway: delay is not deprivation, it's leverage. Compare this thought carefully. Poor decisions feel good quickly. Rich decisions feel boring early but unstoppable later. Sign 3. They ask better questions than they answer. Quiet wealth often reveals itself through curiosity rather than confidence. Instead of giving advice, wealthy individuals tend to ask precise, thoughtful questions. They listen more than they speak. They observe how systems work before forming opinions. This isn't insecurity, it's intelligence. People who've built long-term wealth understand that information compounds just like money. Every conversation is a chance to learn about leverage, risk, incentives, or human behavior. That mindset makes them less interested in sounding smart and more interested in understanding reality. Individuals who gather more information before acting make better long-term decisions, especially in investing, business, and career strategy. And once you notice this trait, you'll start seeing how often loud confidence masks financial fragility, which leads directly into the next sign. Sign 4. They don't compare lifestyles, they compare systems. They don't compare lifestyles, they compare systems. Most people compare outcomes. Quietly wealthy people compare processes. They don't get impressed by flashy lifestyles because they understand how misleading appearances are. Cars, homes, and vacations say nothing about net worth, cash flow, or financial durability. What matters is what's happening underneath. scrolling social media and copying visible spending, instead of copying invisible moves like asset allocation, emergency fund size, or how someone uses market volatility to buy equity at a discount. The mistake most people make is thinking wealth is what you see, and the effect is brutal: higher debt, zero passive income, and years of delayed financial freedom. The fix is simple but boring. Stop asking what do they own, and start asking how does their money move every month. Sign 5. They guard their energy more than their image. Here's a clue that hides in plain sight. Quietly rich people are extremely selective about where their time, attention, and emotional energy go. While most people exhaust themselves trying to look successful, the wealthy in disguise conserve energy to actually build wealth. In Essentialism by Greg McKeown, there's a powerful idea that success isn't about doing more, it's about doing less, but better. Reacting emotionally to opinions, comments, or comparisons, which drains mental bandwidth that could have been used for long-term investing or improving income streams. The mistake most people make is confusing visibility with value, and the effect shows up as burnout, poor financial decisions, impulse spending, and zero progress toward financial freedom. People who guard their energy compound faster than people who guard their image. Image impresses strangers, energy builds equity, and that calm spills directly into how they handle financial noise, which is the next sign. They're unbothered by daily financial drama, market headlines, interest rate panic, social media investment trends. Most people react emotionally to financial noise. Quietly wealthy individuals don't. They understand that long-term investing beats short-term prediction. Instead of reacting, they stay anchored to strategy, diversified equities, index funds, disciplined rebalancing, and long-term asset allocation. The average investor underperforms the market largely because of emotional decisions, buying high, selling low, and constantly adjusting based on fear or excitement. Wealthy individuals avoid this trap by limiting how often they engage with noise. Investors who check portfolios frequently earn significantly lower returns than those who review periodically. Less reaction equals better outcomes. So when someone doesn't flinch during market volatility, it's not ignorance, it's conviction. Sign 7. They downplay their progress. Quiet wealth avoids attention. People with real financial momentum often minimize promotions, investment gains, or business success, not because they're insecure, but because visibility invites expectations, pressure, and unnecessary opinions. Wealth changes relationships. It alters dynamics. People who understand this choose privacy over applause. Studies on goal achievement show that public validation often reduces follow-through. Private progress, on the other hand, strengthens discipline and consistency. When someone understates their success, they're protecting focus. They're keeping their identity separate from outcomes, which makes them more resilient during setbacks. So if someone shrugs off achievements or avoids financial bragging, it may be because they've already learned that silence preserves momentum. And that same mindset explains why fast money doesn't impress them. Sign 8. They're not excited by fast money stories. Here's the quiet giveaway most people miss. Secretly wealthy people don't light up when they hear about overnight riches, viral side hustles, or next hot stock stories. And the reason connects directly to how they win long-term. While most people get emotionally charged by fast money narratives, the quietly rich feel almost bored by them. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel writes that getting money requires taking risks, keeping money requires humility, and fast money stories are usually all risk with no system. Someone dumping $10,000 into a hyped IPO or meme stock after watching a YouTube clip versus someone calmly allocating that same $10,000 into index funds and dividend-paying ETFs that quietly compound over decades. Fast money stories sell hope. Slow money systems build freedom. Boredom is often a sign you're doing wealth the right way. Sign 9. They measure wealth in time, not things. Quiet wealth measures success differently. Instead of asking what money can buy, they ask what money removes: stress, urgency, fear, obligation. They've converted money into time. Time to think, choose, pause, and walk away. That optionality is the real luxury. When someone values free mornings, flexible schedules, and mental peace more than visible upgrades, you're looking at someone who understands the end goal of money. Studies consistently show that people with financial flexibility report higher life satisfaction than those with higher consumption but lower control. Time is the final currency. And the last sign explains why wealthy people seem unusually calm about the future. Sign 10. They're calm about what comes next. This is the deepest signal of all. No urgency, no desperation, no fear of missing out. Quietly wealthy people aren't calm because they know everything. They're calm because they trust their systems. Income, investments, lifestyle, and risk are aligned in a way that compounds. They don't need constant reassurance. They don't chase validation. They know progress is happening even when nothing exciting is visible. This calm is the emotional dividend of discipline. When someone feels relaxed about retirement, career changes, or economic uncertainty, it often means they've already built the foundation most people never start. Real wealth doesn't shout, it whispers. It shows up as calm decisions, slow spending, protected energy, and invisible progress. It grows quietly through equity, disciplined investing, and long-term thinking. I'm passionate about transforming lives through knowledge. If this video added value to your day, share it with others, and subscribe for more insights. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.